All right, guys, so Catalyst season. One of our proposals that we have this time for NFTPass is an NFT ticketing wallet, like an NFT wallet. And this is our in development stage. You can check it out. If you have an Android phone, you can download our development build and you can run it. It doesn't work on iOS, sadly for me, because of how iOS does development stage testing. You need like UDID certificates and all kinds of stuff. So we can't do that for everyone, sadly. But if you do have an Android app, Android phone, you can test it. So go and check it out. Basically, it's just got our login screen. You can log in with our development build. There are no credentials. It's just everything's just like a placeholder to show you how the things work, and you can navigate the app because it's just a prototype at this stage. So we go to login, and it says you can skip the wallet. It's just an example login page, so you can skip. It says just hit submit, but it's skip, or you can create an account. And creating an account is the same thing. Like you can't do it right now, so just hit submit. And then this takes you to the wallet, which has a bunch of very, very badly designed pixel art, credit card style NFTs. Yeah, roast me in the comments. That's okay. We basically didn't want to use anyone else's IP. That's it. It's bedtime. And so in the wallet, on the top right, you've got your account. So you can go on your account. You can get your wallet details. It'll show you your address. You can copy it to clipboard. I'm just going to cancel for now. You can also show your account details and change your password. We'll cancel that as well. And you can create a wallet. So we have two different solutions for wallets. The main purpose of this is to onboard new people, non-crypto people, right? And so we need to offer a custodial solution so that non-crypto people, non-Cardano natives can use NFTPass, use NFT tickets and benefit from the immutability and the security that comes with it, without needing to worry about like seed phrases and other wallets and, you know, all the other stuff, all of the other stuff that comes with crypto. So we have a custodial service that we will run for that. And if you do that, you create your wallet. You can basically, it doesn't do it right now, obviously. If you create your wallet, you have the option to export it later down the line. So we have that down the bottom in red. It says export wallet. So this is an option as well. And if someone puts a request in to export their wallet, what we'll do is there'll just be a form for you to input. You have to put your password in. It'll request a wallet address from you, and then we will just send all the assets. So that's a really important part, a really, really important bit of functionality that we need to actually have as part of this system so that we can use this at actual events a couple of events actually that we've got lined up that aren't aimed at the crypto community, the Cardano community specifically, right? We also have a way for you to connect your wallet. So this is for everyone who is involved in crypto, it specifically has already got a Cardano wallet. You can just connect your wallet. We don't want to expose your seed phrases or, you know, your signing keys or anything like that if you have a CLI wallet. But we don't want to put you at risk, right? We don't want to be responsible for that. So what we're doing is we're developing a way to connect, which we started the previous fund using ADA handle and other verification mechanisms so that you can prove that you're the owner of that wallet. And then it will, once you've proven that you're the owner of that wallet, it'll just pull all the NFTs. It'll do the query for you and pull all that data for you. So this doesn't actually hold your NFTs. It's like a representative look at all the assets you have. If you click on any of these NFTs, this is obviously all placeholder data, but you'll be able to generate a QR code on the fly, which will allow you to use it for things like entry to an event or something like that. It'll have the metadata, like important metadata for you, and you can just close out of that, of course. And the other thing, on the top left, you have this QR code. And what this does, it allows you to scan. And so this is like a thing. Oh, here you go, I'll just scan this wallet address. You scanned something, well done. The purpose of this is to enable different gamification processes and for you to have like a self-check-in, because a lot of the times you don't want to be standing in a queue waiting for one person or two people to manually scan all your QR codes as you try and enter an event. Instead, you want to have the option to be able to check yourself in. And so that's what this is really for. But what we're going to do for tickets or NFTs that aren't tickets, you can still generate QR codes for that. And what it will do is it'll just send someone who scans that to like a Cardano scan or Pool PM, so you can view those assets, like the whole range of that policy, so that you can look at other NFTs within that range. And we want to kind of do this so that it enables a bit more of a fun experience for people who aren't using it for tickets, but also so that you can do things like use it as a way to promote NFTs you have and expose other people who you're close to, like friends or other people you meet at events or anything. You can expose them to NFT collections that you're already a fan of. You know, you can show them, oh, cool, let's have a look. Yeah, generate a QR, scan it, and then I'll have a look and I can choose whether or not to invest in something. So that's kind of the purpose behind that. That's really it. You know, ultimately it's just a QR. It's just an NFT wallet. It's not that exciting. We don't have sending and receiving functionality. Ultimately, we're not actually connecting to a wallet at this point. This is just a prototype that we want to develop further. But also, we're kind of hesitant to enable that kind of functionality anyway, because that requires signatures, it requires signing. If you're connecting your wallet from Cardano, it's not going to allow you to do that kind of stuff. But if you scan one of those QRs and it takes you to the policy ID, you can take that to a like JPEG store or any other marketplace, and then put in offers or create buying and selling opportunities for those kinds of things. We are looking to build something out like that, but we need to build something that's secure and safe so people don't accidentally send their NFTs to like the ether, and it all just disappears. So that's a really important thing that we need to manage for security purposes, but it's something that is obviously very important. The last thing you can do, obviously, is log out, and that just takes you back here to the main screen. Okay, guys, we're not asking for a lot of money for this. But I think it's a really valuable proposal that can really help push things forward and onboard loads of people. We've already been running these tests over the last 6 months or so at a bunch of events, and we've got some other ones lined up. Don't forget to vote. Don't forget to vote for NFTPass. If you've got any questions or comments, pop it in the box below. What I'll do is I'll share a link in the description where you can download and test out the app for yourself. Have a little play if you're on Android. There'll be a link to our proposal as well. If you've got any questions or comments, put them in the box below. If you've got any interest in using this thing for your events, we project for it to be built in like 3 or 4 months, so it shouldn't take too long. And if you get in touch with us, we can figure something out. We're offering it mostly offering it to Cardano events at the minute to try and get people using it and get a bit of exposure for the apps and the products that we've been developing at NFTPass. So yeah, it'd be cool if you to come check it out.